Imagine a city where pastel buildings tumble down sun-kissed hills toward a shimmering river, where every cobbled street whispers stories of explorers and poets. Welcome to Lisbon, a destination that enchants at every turn with its unique blend of history and vibrant culture. Begin your journey in Alfama, the oldest neighborhood, where labyrinthine alleys reveal hidden fado bars and colorful tiled facades that tell tales of centuries past. Climb to the ancient São Jorge Castle for panoramic views that capture the city's terracotta rooftops and the broad waters beyond, a perfect spot to soak in Lisbon's timeless charm. As the sun dips, make your way to Miradouro de Santa Catarina, a beloved lookout where locals and travelers gather to watch the sky explode in hues of gold and pink, creating unforgettable sunsets. Lisbon's culinary scene is a feast for the senses. Savor creamy pastéis de nata in a bustling bakery, sample freshly grilled sardines by the waterfront, or dive into innovative modern cuisine at lively markets buzzing with energy. Ride the iconic yellow tram through steep, winding streets, stopping at eclectic shops and vibrant plazas along the way. Whether you're captivated by historic charm, river breezes, or unforgettable sunsets, Lisbon promises a journey unlike any other.